Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you how I myself was able to fix Pinterest app validation error. So if you're currently facing that exact same error and you want to be able to fix it, well, I'm going to show you how I fixed it quite quickly. So what you're going to do first is to just close your Pinterest app, and instead we're going to open up our settings app. So go into settings, and it doesn't matter, by the way, if you have an iPhone or Android. So just go into settings and then scroll down and find general. So click on general, then scroll down again and click where it says storage, as you can see. And same goes if you have an Android. Just find storage on your settings in your Android, and then we're just going to wait for this page to completely load. And then what we're going to do after this is to just scroll down and find the Pinterest app. So I'm going to show you how I fixed it. So I scroll down right here, just going to see where I can find the Pinterest app. Just a second. I think it can be, oh, here it is, perfectly. So I'm going to click on Pinterest, then I'm going to click on Upload App, and once again, click on Upload App. So I'm just going to wait and then click on the blue button here once again. And now you need to wait for your app to completely upload to the newest version, or rather update to the newest version. I did this myself. I waited, as you can see, it says loading right here. After it was done, I went back and now it was working for me. So I hope that this will be able to fix this for you as well.